Rameen, Shazana, Pariza. Today I will show you how to make an egg sandwich. We will need chopped cucumbers, boiled eggs, butter, or carrots, black pepper, salt, mayonnaise, and some bread. First, I will cut the corner of the bread. Now I will mix all the ingredients together. Cucumbers, boiled eggs, and some carrots, some salt, black pepper, mayonnaise, now I will put it on the bread. I will put the butter and then I will put it on the bread. Now I will put the ingredients on the bread. Now I will put another bread on the top. Now I will decorate it by cutting it in half. It's done. Alhamdulillah, it's done. It's too delicious. Pray for me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tasin. Today I am going to tell about COVID-19 and showing you how to make a mask easily at home. So let's start. Nowadays, the world is suffering with a virus named coronavirus. The disease name is COVID-19, which was first started in Wuhan, China. 97,064,997 people are affected in COVID-19 and 49,002,807 people are died in COVID-19 in the world. So, in Bangladesh, 13,007,787 people are affected and 1,738 people are died. For this virus, we can't go outside and meet anyone. This is the current situation. So, now I will show you how to make a mask easily at home. So, for this we need 2 tissue paper, 1 stapler and 2 garter. If anyone don't have the garter, she or he need to use elastic rubber. Okay. So you should fold it together like this. Now I will fold it to whole tissue like this. So you can see I just fold the whole tissue the same way. So now I take 1 garter and put it into the tissue. Then I just fold the tissue like this. Then just I have to staple it. In another side, the same thing you have to do. Put the girder and just fold it. You can see I just fold it with the girder and just staple it. So you can see I have finished to make a mask easily, like I am showing you. This is the back side and this is the front side. Like this it works. So I have finished making mask. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Zainab bin Zabed from Mirpur International School Standard 3. Today I will make chicken with sandwich. The ingredients are bread, chicken, carrot, capsicum, mayonnaise, lemon juice and sugar. Capsicum, mayonnaise, and lemon juice. Then add some sugar and mix together. Then I will spread the mixture into the bread. Spread the sandwich. It is done. Now it is ready to eat. It is a healthy chicken vegetable sandwich. In this time in COVID-19 we have to stay home and eat homemade food, and we have to do not eat outside food. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Today I'm going to show you how to make liquid soap at home. For making liquid soap, we need half a cup of water, an empty container, 1 tablespoon of saffron, 1 tablespoon of detergent powder, and a funnel. First, we take an empty container, then we place the funnel on top of it. Then we add about 1 tablespoon of detergent powder, then we add 1 tablespoon of saffron. After adding these two, we add our last ingredient, which is half a cup of water. After adding everything, we close the lid of the bottle and then shake it, and your homemade soap is ready.